We hadn't contacted each other in 5 years. And I just hit her up with a happy birthday, which is as cringy as it sounds, but it worked. Here we are, so I'm not complaining. If I knew that she would say yes, I would have asked her to marry me yesterday. This was before we even FaceTimed again after 5 years. I mean, yeah, I've known for a while, so.
Oh my God. I'm shaking.
They made the long possible. Oh no. Oh, praise God. Praise God.
It's okay.
All for being here, and thank you for making this day so special. I think that if there's one thing that's been true, is that it's not just Meredith and I, but it's everyone here and the joy that you all bring. So thank you for what you've done for us.
She's fiercely loyal. When she gives her loyalty to somebody, she's gonna fight for them, and she's going to just love them. But she's also going to challenge them and call them higher, which is the most beautiful thing.
You are a team, but keep your individuality and keep your own interests and share those with each other and keep each other growing.
Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry, and that's from James 5, I believe.
You know, they're both competitors, and they're both very athletic, and I love to see them doing that together, and I see them laugh, and they enjoy each other. Life is not about perfection. Life is about the grind. Life is about the commitment in our Lord Jesus Christ, and every day they're going to refine one another, but stay at it. There's no turning back. It's all about going towards Jesus together.
It was beautiful to see the smile that just lit up Meredith's face as they were talking. So it's just something that's close to my heart, and I really enjoyed watching that.
Max is just fiercely loyal. He's just one of those guys that you can always depend on, always lean on. He'll always be there for you.
Meredith just has a very sensitive, caring heart for people. She does have that really soft side where if she sees somebody hurting, she just comes alive and she just wants to take care of that person.
Max is the most selfless man I've ever met, and he's very humble. He's always putting others before himself, and he is the greatest cheerleader of the people around him and constantly wants to encourage them and lift them up, and has so much joy that is absolutely contagious, and he is just the person that I want to be around all the time.
Put your seatbelt on, buddy, and get ready. Because this girl is high energy, and he knows this. He knows that it's going to be the best ride of his life.
Oh my gosh!